Hi, I'm Tọlá Okogwu, author of Onyeka and the Secret Superhero for World Book Day. I read a lot of fiction, fantasy and science fiction especially, but I think that this year I'd like to branch out a little bit and read some more non-fiction. I particularly like history. I love learning about the past, learning about things that have happened, characters. I mean, our history is so rich, especially from all the different cultures and countries all over the world. And so for me, going forward, I would like to read more non-fiction historical books. I like the Tudor part of British history. I also really kind of curious about Japanese history, as well as history from other countries in Africa. So I think that, in the coming year, I will be reading a lot more non-fiction history books.